Hostel review. Plus Florence. Florence. I book all of my hostel accommodations through the Hostel World app. As you can see, here's a list of hostels that I have stayed in, as well as the dates that I've stayed there, so my reviews are honest and real. Today I'll be reviewing Plus Florence in Florence, Italy. I stayed there from June 13th to June 16th. I'll go down to categories with Hostel World allowing me to rate each category out of 5 stars. The first category is security. Plus Florence is part of the Plus network of hostels. Plus Florence, similar to Plus Prague, is more of a hotel than a hostel. There is a security guard at the front of the hostel at all times. There are security cameras in all common areas, and access to the dorms is granted via key card. Lockers are provided in the dorms. Overall, a 4 out of 5. The second category is location. Plus Florence is located in the heart of Florence. It is a quick 15-minute walk to the Firenze Santa Maria Novella bus station, as well as a quick 15-minute walk to one of the most iconic sites in Florence, the Caterina di Santa Maria del Fiore. Access to the public transit is available just outside of the front entrance to visit all areas of Florence. While my rating on Hostel World was a 4 out of 5, overall, if I could change this, I would give it a 5 out of 5. The third category is staff. The staff at the hostel were great, with the exception of one person on the evening shift who was rude to all the guests. Aside from that, everyone from the cleaning staff to the serving staff and the receptionists were all friendly and took steps to provide guests with the best experience at the hostel. Overall, a 3 out of 5. The fourth category is atmosphere. Plus Florence has many areas for people to meet and mingle. There is a waiting area in front of reception, a lounge and restaurant on the lower level, and a computer rental area as well. Guests are encouraged to engage and share activities during their stay in Florence, and it was common to hang out with new people. Overall, a 3 out of 5. The fifth category is cleanliness. Plus Florence had cleaning staff come in every morning and clean all the areas of the dorms. The common areas were cleaned throughout the day. No rubbish was ever left in an area to accumulate, and every corner of the hostel open for the guests were left tidy. Overall, a 4 out of 5. The sixth category was value for the money. I paid €71 a night to stay, and that was including taxes and Hostel World fees. When I consider everything that Plus Florence provided as far as facilities are concerned, the excellent location, the cleanliness, plus the fact that this was during the peak season in one of the busiest cities in Italy, I would say that this price is fair. Overall, a 4 out of 5. The final category is facilities. Plus Florence had everything that a modern hotel has in a hostel setting. There was a bar, a lounge area that was open late into the evening, a coin-operated laundromat, a breakfast buffet, 24-hour reception, computer rental service. There were several communal washrooms available, and the bathrooms were en suites. The bathrooms were spacious. Hot water and water pressure was excellent. Dorm sizes were spacious for an 8-person dorm, and the beds were a decent size and were very comfortable. Overall, a 4 out of 5. My overall review on Hostel World is 7.4 out of 10, but it would be higher if I could change it. My review is as stated on Hostel World. A great hostel that is set up more like a hotel. The location is walking distance to everything exciting to see in Florence. The facilities are clean and modern with a restaurant, bar, and laundry. Wi-Fi is great and common areas are good. Beds are a decent size and comfortable. Showers have hot water and good pressure. The only issue I had was a very rude evening front desk person who was rude to all the guests. Otherwise, a great stay. I recommend. Like all of my reviews, I either recommend something or I don't. Regarding Plus Florence, I recommend staying here.